What's going on, everyone? HueFin News coming at you with another daily cryptocurrency market analysis. Today is September the 16th, 2017, and we at HueFin News are here to give you guys news according to the charts. We are not investment advisors, and we are not giving you guys investment advice, but rather we're here to show to you guys that you can predict the market without using indicators. And on top of that, all you need is the price bars and the volume. And we've been showing you guys that and been accurate on our videos in the past. So just go ahead and check those videos out if you don't believe what we've been doing. If you think it's not possible to forecast likely movements in the cryptocurrency market, then go back and check out our videos and you'll see for yourself. And also, want to go ahead and tell you guys that we place timestamps in these videos in the description area, so you guys can go straight to the cryptocurrency that you're more worried about or that you're interested in, and then go ahead and save you guys some time as well. Also, appreciate all the new subscribers who came on to this channel. Appreciate it. Appreciate all the ones who have been with us since the beginning. That's most definitely appreciated for you guys on that as well. And without further ado, you guys can see that in the market for the cryptocurrency, that the market overall was tame today. You know, we had a couple of cryptocurrencies end the day higher. Some of them ended lower, but it wasn't that low compared to the last 3 or 4 trading days. So you guys can see that also on the market cap, that $124 billion is now in the market, which is an increase of $1 billion from yesterday. And also, these cryptocurrencies are being traded in 5,508 markets. And you guys can see that Bitcoin was down only 1%, which is not bad compared to the massive market sell-off we had over the last 2 or 3 trading days. Looking at Ethereum, they're down 2.5%. Bitcoin Cash is one of the major cryptocurrencies who ended the day higher than yesterday. They're up 3.54%. Looking at Ripple, you guys can see that they are down 2%, and Litecoin is down only a meager 0.58%, which is a good thing. Dash is pretty much in the same area, same boat as Bitcoin Cash. They're up 3.05%. Looking at Monero, though, they are down 5.41%. And then looking at Neo, they had a fantastic day, being up 10.55%. Omisi Go was down 1%. And then looking at Ethereum Classic, they are down 4.50%. So without further ado, let's go ahead and check out these cryptocurrencies according to this Bitfinex website. So looking at Bitcoin, you guys can see that they're currently down 1.19%. Last trade, $3,646.10. So as we said to you guys, today was a wash between the buyers and sellers within the cryptocurrency. Bitcoin, you guys can see how the market shot up to a high of $3,875, and came to a low of $3,511. But look where the market closed. It closed right where the bar opened, which is an indication that it was a wash. Now, tomorrow would tell us which one is in control of the market, whether it's the buyers or the sellers. The market may trend a little lower tomorrow if more sellers within the market today. Okay. And if the market is going to move lower, then we're expecting them to come back towards this area of trading around August 8th through the 10th. Okay. So we're expecting the market to at least come down and touch that area if the market is weaker than it is strength wise. But if not, long term, we still are forecasting Bitcoin to move higher. I mean, because you just don't get a bar like this one that occurred on the 15th of September, and then the market just completely comes all the way back down. And if that is going to be the case, then you guys would expect Bitcoin to come all the way back down and hit that support of $2,800 again, $2,900 again. So if that occurs on tomorrow, then you need to change your strategies on when to get in and when to get out. But currently, long term, we're still seeing that Bitcoin will be moving higher, and we're looking for it to hit that $4,000 area. Okay, so that's our analysis for Bitcoin. Let's go ahead and check out Ethereum. So Ethereum is also down 2.72%. Last trade was at $250.50. So you can tell that on Ethereum you have more sellers in the market than buyers. So the market is a little more weaker than it is stronger for today. So the market could possibly move back down towards this $240 area, and if it's not going to hit that, then expect it to hit 220. But overall, in the long term, also we still are forecasting Ethereum to move higher and at least come and hit that $280 mark. But currently, the market is giving us this precursor of weakness after we had this major precursor of strength bar. So the market is going to be trading in the short term sideways. But overall, long term, we're expecting it to move higher. So now let's go ahead and check out Bitcoin Cash. So Bitcoin Cash is up 1.69%. Last trade was at $437.28. So Bitcoin Cash did close higher than yesterday's bar, which is an excellent sign. But you guys can see that also Stockpile came in the market. So we're expecting Bitcoin Cash to trade sideways to eventually higher. Now the sideways action is we're looking for it to possibly come and hit $400 if the market moves lower. And if not that, then expect it to come towards this close and open of around $388. That's if the market's going to move lower. But long term, we're expecting them to move higher as well. But tomorrow may be a down day since we have this stockpile coming in the market for today. So I just want to give you guys that heads up as well. But we're looking for Bitcoin Cash to move higher. So now let's go ahead and check out Ripple. So let's go ahead and get there. So you guys can see that Ripple is down 2.11%. Last trade was at 18 cents. And today, Ripple traded just like Bitcoin. Market shot up and it shot down and it closed towards the open of today's bar. So we still are getting stockpile in the market for Ripple. So Ripple could possibly move lower on tomorrow, possibly to 17 cents. But also we're expecting Ripple to trade sideways to higher in the long term. But tomorrow, Ripple may actually come and touch 17 cents again. And then you might get some precursors of strength and then the market will move higher. But overall, we're looking for Ripple to trade sideways to higher. So let's go ahead and check out Litecoin. So Litecoin is down 1.12%. Last trade was at $51.38. So Litecoin is still hovering around that area of resistance / support. It is closed under this area of support that we've drawn out over the last couple of weeks. So the market is finding hesitancy to come back into this area of this upward move that is going through now. So we're expecting Litecoin to trade sideways in the short term, just like it was occurring back here towards the 25th, 24th of August. We're expecting that as well for Litecoin because the market is trying to see if there are still a lot more sellers in this price range. Okay, so once these sellers become consumed and bought up by the buyers, then the market will move higher. So tomorrow may actually be another sideways trading day, but long term, expecting Litecoin to move higher as well. But like I said, be cautious of the stockpile that appeared today on the market. And if the market is going to move down, expect it to hit that $48 area. And if it's excessive selling coming in the market, then definitely expect it to come to $44. So now let's check out the other winner for today, which is Dash. So Dash is up 2.41%. The last trade was at $294.41. So like we said, Dash ended the day higher, which is still a precursor of strength. Stockpile came in the market because the market closed lower than the actual high of the bar. But overall, we're still expecting Dash to move higher. If it moves lower, expect it to come to that 280 mark, or just a little shy lower than that. But long term, Dash is also going to move higher. So next is Neo. So Neo is up 6.97%. Last trade was at $20.07. Let's check the hourly chart. So looking at Neo, you guys can see that the market shot all the way up to $23, and Stockpile revealed itself. So that's what occurred. The market came and pushed all the way down, but then you got this precursor of strength, and the market didn't fall lower than $19. So if Neo is going to continue this downward move, expected to come and test that $19 area. And this is where you will want to see precursors of strength before you come in and enter the market for Neo to move higher. But once it comes back down to this $19 area and you get precursors of weakness, then that's when you want to exit out your position or put in a sell order and accumulate the profits as Neo continue to move down. So currently it looks like Neo is going to be moving down towards that $19 area. But if it can stay here where it currently is trading now, where we got this trial run bar, then definitely the market will move higher from where it is now. So we need to wait till the ending of this bar to see exactly where the market is going to go. And if it's going to go lower, then expect it to hit 19. So after that, we're going to go ahead and check out Ethereum Classic. So looking at Ethereum Classic, they are down 3.91%. Last trade was at $11.09. So definitely the sellers outweigh the buyers today for Ethereum Classic. The market closed lower than yesterday. So there's not enough interest in higher prices for Ethereum Classic at the moment. But we're expecting them to trade sideways as well in the short term. And if tomorrow is also another down day, then expect it to come back towards $10 again as well. Because today's bar is a precursor of weakness. So the market could come all the way back down to $10 as just a sideways trading action between $10 and $12 that Ethereum Classic could be trading sideways. So we're expecting Ethereum Classic to trade sideways to lower. And then the last one for today is Monero. So Monero is down 5.37%. Last trade was at $95.10. Again, you got more sellers coming in with Monero, telling us that the market is giving us more precursors of weakness. But definitely overall, we're expecting Monero to move higher. Granted, the market may come back down and hit this $90 area on tomorrow, but definitely long term, we're looking for Monero to move higher. So depending on your emotional stress levels, you might get hysterical once Monero moves lower, but we're expecting it to at least come to $90. And if it's too much selling in the market, then it's going to come to 80 again. But definitely we're looking for Monero to trade higher once the selling within this area becomes consumed and bought up by the buyers. So just keep your eyes out on that for Monero. So that's all we got for today. I just want you guys to remember to go ahead and check out our video that we've created called just some of the basics, the terminologies that we use on a daily basis on these videos. Okay, you know, the trial run, the push to go up, the push to go down, consumption. Those are the words that we use consistently on this channel. Now granted, it is not all inclusive. There is a lot more that needs to be learned before you guys try to understand this particular language that the market participants use on a daily basis. And we'll give you guys that opportunity later on to get more involved in understanding the language that they use on a daily basis, because it's just like when you guys go to another country and they speak a totally different dialect, totally different language. You guys got to learn their language so you can kind of understand where they're coming from, see their standpoint, see their point of view, and as well to converse and conversate with these individuals in different lands. That is the same thing that occurs in the market, within any market, whether it's the cryptocurrency market exchanges, the stock exchange, the commodities, the bond market, wherever the case may be. Wherever you have buyers and sellers, you got to understand their language. And that's what we do here at HueFin News, based off the price bars and the volume, is give you guys that opportunity to see that you can actually understand and able to predict the mentality of the market participants in the market with just understanding the price bars and the volume. And it's very powerful, and you will become more confident, and you will be making more profits in your trading once you understand this language. That's how powerful it is. So gone are the days of using these indicators, which acts too late once the actual move occurs in the market. But with this market language, you guys can actually predict when the market's going to turn, where you get a change of tone in the market from being buyers and going into selling mode. And we told you guys that, showing you guys that in September 4th on our video, to where we said that the market was giving us a change of tone. And look what happened over the last couple of trading days. Since then, the market came back down. So just be watchful, watch these videos, always be cautious, stay in your trade, always be aware of where your money is going, because once it hits your point, then go ahead and get out that market before you actually become too emotional and nervous and scared, because this is a emotionless type of game. The markets is emotionless, and that's how you guys got to be when you place your own money into the market. Is you can't have your emotions attached to your money. But I'm not gonna get into more into that. That's all I got for today. Appreciate it, guys. You guys have a wonderful weekend wherever you guys are at. Have a good one. Continue to watch these videos, share and subscribe, because this is the new wave of understanding the market. Is here at HueFin News. So that's all I got. You guys have a wonderful day, and I'll talk to you guys later.